Hi, I'm Ragya. Could you tell us a little bit about yourself, your name, where you're from, and what you're doing here?
Hi, my name is Abhigna. I'm from Telangana, Hyderabad. So I came for here to do coaching.
So, what services are you preparing for? Which services do you want to join?
I want to join IPS.
IPS.
Yeah,
Wow, that's lovely. Is there a specific reason for that?
yeah. My father is in state police, so I want to become.
So, is that what motivates you, or is it something else that?
Yeah, it will motivate me a lot. He's doing a great job, and so I have learned. I have seen him from my childhood, and I want to become like that.
IPS service is
Yeah.
not that easy for a girl.
Ha.
So, do you feel that there are some challenges that you might face, or how are you preparing yourself for that? Because it's more rigorous than the other services, right? Your physical tests and everything. So, how are you dealing with those?
Yeah, it is very challenging, but we have to, women have to come to the service. Um, it will be a challenging, but have to face everything, and we have to do. There are many societal problems, evils that is happening. We have to overcome this. So, in this way.
So, is this your first attempt, or have you appeared before as well?
No, this is my first attempt. Uh, I'll do my level best.
How are you preparing? Is there something that you wish that I wish that I knew this, or that some text or some support from seniors or something like that?
Seniors are very friendly. They'll tell every thing. Uh, Most of the friends are friendly here. Um, Friendly environment है इधर.
So family से दूर, do you feel कि I'm
हाँ.
out of place, or
Yeah.
you miss them?
If you want to get something, you have to lose something. So,
So how is your family supporting you?
my mother is in family in health sector. So my father is in police sector. So yeah, they'll motivate me a lot.
Do you have a plan B that you prepared, or are you only focusing on this?
No, I have only plan A. I don't know. I have not kept plan B. Only
That's
my
lovely
plan.
to know. So, what is something that attracts you the most about police services? Other than your father being in the services and growing up with the same uniform.
Because actually I'm from the tribal background. I'm from Adlabad district, so there are many women. They are not coming out. They are not. They are not going to the police station. They are not very. It is not friendly environment in police station. So that's the main problem. If women are in a police sector in police service, maybe they will tell their problems easily, and so that more women can get to they will interact with police in a friendly manner, and maybe in that way.
Do you have any message for your fellow aspirants?
Yeah, that it is very expensive here, but it's okay. Um, Hyderabad is also good. You can study anywhere if you have passion in your in yourself. So that's the thing.